morning everyone. I will be vlogging again today. Today is actually December 4 and this is gonna be my day 4 of Vlogmas. I feel like I really want to vlog every day pero hindi talaga kaya ng schedule ko na mag-edit every day. My first class is at 9 a.m. and it is currently 8:20. I woke up 8 o'clock. Kasi ginawa ko na yung formative quiz ko last night, so I didn't have to wake up that early, pero I wanted to study for my lab formative quiz later at 11. So right now, I'm just studying about the respiratory system.
In eventration, the wall of the diaphragm is intact, so there is no defect, there is no actual opening. It's just
My class already ended and I made myself some lemon tea. I also ate breakfast already. And I just wanted to show you that I got some PR packages recently. I got the Hello Glow packages yesterday. And they actually sent me 2 paper bags. I think ito ata yung October launch nila. And then ito naman yung nilaunch nila nung November. And also, I got a package from Front Row the other day. And ayan, I'll be doing the unboxing later na lang after my last class. It's at 1 p.m. It's currently 12:15 p.m. And maliligo muna ako and then have my class and then I'll do the unboxing.
Like other anti-vaxxers, Newman just doesn't believe the scientists.
Pandemic, just as people blame the devil for causing the Black Death back in the Middle Ages. Maybe.
Okay, so I just had to change into a shirt because we had our class photo taken. It might be our last meeting for HPM kasi today, that's why I think they asked if we could take a class photo together, and it's our favorite subject, HPM, kasi super bad ng mga lectures and it's so chill. So, ayan lang. And now I don't have any more classes. I guess I'm gonna do the unboxing. So right now I'm just watching Ray's Vlogmas and I put a little bit of makeup on kasi I've really been not liking how I look lately. So, sabi ko maglagay ako ng konting makeup. Actually, mascara nga lang nilagay ko. Pero, ayan. Just watching. And then, yung haul nga, papakita ko na. I wanna thank Anton for doing my thumbnails. Kasi nga, nagpo-post ako every other day. And, siya yung gumagawa ng thumbnails ko every other day. So, thank you! Tamang-tama, after my class, biglang dumating yung orders ko sa Shopee. So, ito yung mga Christmas gift ko for my sisters. I think ito yung para kay Annette. And I don't remember what else I ordered. Ito ata kay Leah to. So, I just changed into my filming glasses. I use this when I'm filming kasi whenever I use my glasses, yung original glasses ko, it always falls. Like, parati kong kailangan taasin. So, baka mabother kayo. Parati kong hinahawakan glasses ko. So, ito na lang sinuot ko for now. And, ito. Isa to sa mga binili ko. And, if you don't know yet, I'm a fan of It's Okay to Not Be Okay. So, I bought the earrings. Yung, kumonyong na inspired earrings from Shop Salasta. I got this from Shopee. And I forgot how much I got this. I think $295. I just got one pair kasi I don't really wear earrings that much. But I'm such a fan of It's Okay to Not Be Okay. So, I just had to buy a pair of earrings. And I just bought, like, my favorite one out of the styles they got. I really want one more. Pero yun nga, hindi ko naman kailangan. Kaya hindi ko nabibilin. Ooh, I feel like this is too big on her. Ay, actually, hindi. Okay lang siya. So, ayan. She wanted the gray one. I'm whispering because they might hear me on the other side. Kasi doon lang yung room nila. Pero, ayan. I got her the gray one because that's what she asked for. And she just really wants comfy room slippers. I know, ang aga ko bumili ng Christmas gifts. Pero, I don't know. Parati ako na-excite kapag bumibili ng gifts for people. And, kailangan ko pa maghintay ng 25 to give that to them. I wish I had scissors. Hindi ko na actually open natin. Ito, I got Leah the lip gloss she wanted. Oof. It looks so different than sa store. Pero, ito naman yung sinabi niyang shade na gusto niya. And then, this last one, I'm not sure what this is. Okay. I think ito yung clips na in-order ko. Ay, hindi. Joke lang. It's the pens that I ordered. So, ito yung para sa akin. Isa sa mga classmates ko nag-suggest ng pens na to kasi parang Muji pens daw siya na 0.5. Alam niyo naman, gusto ko yung 0.3. Pero recently, nagugustuhan ko naman mag-write with 0.5. And they look like this. Yung dati kong binibiling pen sa Shopee, napansin ko kapag tumagal, parang putol-putol yung ink niya. So, binigay ko yun sa sisters ko. Hindi ko na yung ginagamit. And I just wanted to try these. I think I got this for 28 pesos. 28 to 30 pesos. So, ililink down ko na lang below lahat ng papakita ko today. Ayan, so this is the black one and this is the blue one. Okay naman siya. I feel like okay naman yung pens. It's better than the one I used to buy, definitely. But yeah, I'm gonna keep on using these. Hopefully, tumagal yung ink niya. Now, let's start with front row. I'm gonna do a review on this kasi super interested ako sa products nila. Like, they sent me 4 of their BB plus CC hybrid stick. Ito siya. Shades 1 to 4. So, sabi nila you can use this as your foundation and you can also use this as contour. So, I think I'm gonna keep the shade number 3. Shade number 3. Okay, so yung shades pala nila is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Pero yung kukunin ko is shade number 1 and shade number 3. Yung shade number 3 for contour and then yung 1 for my foundation. And then I have shade number 0 and number 2. Feeling ko hindi ko na siya isa-swatch para pwede ko siyang ibigay. Feeling ko I'm gonna ask my mom first if she wants one. Tapos I don't think she's gonna get both anyway, kaya bibigay ko na lang yung extra sa giveaway. Not in this giveaway, I mean, not in this video, pero kapag ginawa ko na lang yung review na to. So, super excited for this one. I think I'm gonna try it on the weekend. And then, ito, gustong-gusto ko to i-try. Kasi, it says here, this is for lightening dark and sensitive parts of the body. And pwede mo siyang gamitin sa body and I think sa face. I'm not sure. Pero I'm gonna mostly use this for my body. And I think I am gonna use this for my underarms. Oh, grabe. It's a really big bottle. I think for one bottle, it's less than 2,000 pesos. Like, mga 1.8 ata yung isang ganito. And then, yung nakita ko, isang ganito is 1.9. Para matry ko na. Ooh, ano siya? Pump siya. Okay, so ito try ko to tonight. Ito, Hello Glow. 2 paper bags. So, super excited for these products. First of all, they gave me a face mask and I'm excited. I need to get this washed first before I use it. I also have the Rose Water Soothing Gel. Ito ata yung bagong release nila last month. And also yung lightweight sun care gel. Oh, so, ayan. Sunscreen naman siya. Super excited for this. Ito pala, may SPF 50 siya. Again, I think maraming resellers sa Shopee. So, I'm gonna link it down below. And also yung Instagram nila. And they also have the all-natural whitening set. Let's open this up. I have their soap. This is their 5-in-1 whitening soap. So, at the box pala nakasulat yung mga products na nasa loob and also yung steps on how to use it. So, first, you have to cleanse your face. And then, next is toner. So, meron silang Hello Glow Clarifying Toner. I'm excited for this one. And also, meron silang step 3. So, yung step 3 you can use for day and night. So, step 3 for day is the sunscreen cream. Ayan. And then, for night one, this one. Ito yung whitening cream for night. Isa pa pala sa mga products na gusto ko i-try from Hello Glow was their drink. So, ito, nilagay ko na to sa cart ko and everything. Pero buti na lang, they sent it to me. This is the Hello Glow Fit to Glow Fiber Apple Juice. And then, ito yung super excited ako. Yung Fit to Glow Coffee Mix by Hello Glow. So, ayan. And also, last, okay. They sent me 2 of their latest releases. It's another kit. It's the same product. So, obviously, yung isa ipapang-giveaway natin. Pero, again, hindi ko muna i-giveaway sa video na to. Maybe on a video where I review these. As in, itatry ko muna tapos sasabihin ko yung thoughts ko. So, ayan. This is their Hello Glow Advanced Rejuvenating Set. And it also has 4 products inside. Sa likod, nakasulat lahat ng products and also the steps on how to use them. First step is the Hello Glow pH Hydrating Cleanser. Okay, so, ayan, may cleanser tayo. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting a cleanser! And then, we have another toner. This is the Get Bright Pore Toner. Hello Glow Ultra Light Matte Sunscreen, and also yung Hello Glow Nourishing Night Cream. I am excited to try these out. I guess yun lang naman yung papakita ko for today na products. And I'm gonna clean up my mess and then I'm gonna meet with Anton. So, yeah. BRB, I'm gonna clean. Just to show you the mess I've made. Yeah, I definitely have to clean now. I'm just watching Miss Remy Ashton on YouTube. Yung vlogmas niya ba? Oh wait, no. Joke lang. What I eat in a day lang pala yan. And I will end the vlog, but before that, I am gonna do another giveaway. I think I'm gonna do 5 or 6 giveaways. So far, 5 pa lang yung nakaplan ko. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it for my vlogmas. I don't know, baka January pa yung iba, pero so far, meron pa akong 5 giveaways planned, and ito nga yung second giveaway. It's like a mini giveaway again, pero I still hope you join or hopefully interested kayo sa mga items ito. Pero first item is a lipstick from Shopee as well. So, similar to dun sa last giveaway natin, pero it's a different shade lang. I think this is like a light red shade. And then next is a toner from Beryl. So, ito yung Beryl Acne Pro Toner. And yeah, I really love this actually. Meron lang akong ibang toners na ginagamit, kaya ipapamigay ko na lang to. And also, I have a lip balm from the February. So, ayun siya. It's a tinted lip balm in the shade Pomegranate or Bella. Lastly, we have the Masquerade Rose All Day Mask, which is my favorite mask. So again, this is an extra. Like, I really want to keep this for myself, pero I just want someone to try this as well kasi super love ko talaga yung mask na to. So inside this mask, merong 2 separate masks, so you can share it with someone or pwede nyo igamitin yung extra for you for another day. And actually, sa isang packet, I can use that for 2 days. So, parang 4 times yung ito magagamit. Parang ganon. Okay, so for the giveaway mechanics, all you have to do is first, be subscribed to my channel. Second, like this video. And third, comment down below anything you want to ask me or a video suggestion. And also, put what city you're from because I'm really curious kung saan ba yung mga subscribers ko. And also put your Instagram handle so that I can contact you. You should be following me on Instagram and also the February so that we can support them. So yeah, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this a thumbs up if you like it or if you're gonna join the giveaway, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!
Baby, I'm just your type. I'm a baddie. I'm a baddie. Yeah, I know I look